Hey guys, it's Chris here from Pi Supply. In today's video we're going to be unboxing the LoRa Nodes. We have a selection of LoRa Nodes available for the microbit, the Raspberry Pi and the Arduino. These nodes are based on the RAC Wireless RAC 811 LoRa node. These are based on the Semtech technology for LoRaWAN. So without further ado, let's unbox the microbit node. So in this box we have some cool Raspberry Pi stickers. We have the LoRa logo. We have a welcome card from Pi Supply and some product information on the back. In the box we also have an antenna. This is an external antenna to connect to the microbit node. We also have an antenna adapter. This will allow you to connect external antennas. And we also have some connectors as well for the antenna. So let's take a look at the board itself. So this LoRa node in particular is for the BBC microbit. As you can see, it has a microbit connector and you can connect the microbit easily to the LoRa node, like so. Some of the features of the microbit node: it has a GPS header for connecting an external GPS module. We will also have this available in our Pi Supply store very soon. There are also some connectors broken out at the bottom of the board. These are broken out from the LoRa module itself. This LoRa node has two antenna options available: an internal chip antenna and an external antenna connector too. By default and for compliance reasons, the internal chip antenna is connected. If you wish to connect the external antenna, you will need to desolder the inductor on the INT connector here. Then you will need to solder and bridge the connector on the external solder pads here. All these LoRa nodes we have available also have the same features. So we have here the Raspberry Pi node, and this is available for any Raspberry Pi that has a 40-way GPIO header. We also have the Arduino node on the end here, and this is compatible with any Arduino Uno and Arduino Mini board. All these boards feature the same LoRa module, which is the RAC 811, and also has both an internal and external chip antenna connectors. If you wish to connect the external antenna, which comes supplied in these boxes, you need to connect the UFL connector where it says X1. Simply push it over the top of the connector and push firmly down until you hear the clicking noise. And then you can screw on the external antenna. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you've been intrigued by these LoRa nodes and can't wait to get started with your LoRa node projects. Just to let you know that these are also multi-frequency nodes, so they'll be available in any region. If you're interested in purchasing one of these nodes, then please visit pisupply.com. We also have a number of software guides available to get started with. These are step-by-step tutorials, and you can visit pisupply.com/makerzone. Thank you very much for watching, and until next time, I'll see you then.